Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, October the 14th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The 4 stars tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 7275. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, and 1, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, and 1, then 1. Double 1, and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, and 1, then 1. Double O, and 1, then 1. Double 1, and O, then O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, and O, then O. Double 1, and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, and 1, then 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, and O, then O. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. And here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. A 4 stars tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.